Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of spending a lot of money on Airtel data? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to explain some secret code that you can use it for cheap data. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Don't skip any part of it. Now, let's be honest. Airtel is one of the fastest network in Nigeria, but the data finish like magic. So let's dive in. So hello guys, the first one we are going to do is everyday plan, which is star 312 star 2 star 8 hash. Then you are going to receive a option like this, which is 4,000 naira at 15 gigabytes and 7,500 at 40 gigabytes. But let me tell you, this is for 1 month, and all what you spend is just 4,000 naira. And okay, let me choose the option 1. You are going to be given 500 MB daily for 30 days, and this is going to last for 30 days, which costs at 4,000 naira. And this is simple data. This is a cheap data, because 4,000 naira, if you calculate every data that we are buying every day, is more than 4,000 naira monthly. So only what you have to do is pay 4,000 naira and subscribe for it. And the second one is star 312 star 2 star 7 hash, which is social plan. This one is social plan, and you'll be given 100 naira at 200 MB and 300 at 1 gigabyte. You'll be given 300 naira for 1 gigabyte and 500 naira for 1.5 gigabytes. So this plan always work for social plan, and which are Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and TikTok. So this for social plan. And the next one is star 312 star 2 star 1 star 5 hash, and you'll be given an option like 250 MB at 15 naira. That means if you buy 4 of these like this, which is 200 naira at 1 gig, and this only work for night. So this option always work for night. Now that you have know how to buy a cheap data on Airtel, let's talk about how to make it last longer, because even our phone setting can make the data rush fast. It can drain our data. So number one, you have to turn off background apps. You have to turn off background apps. You know, some of our apps in our phone, they are consuming our data in the background. So make sure that you turn off the background apps. Then the second one is do not set automatic updates on data. Just set it on Wi-Fi. And that is for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to this video, and drop a comment about the offer that you have been using. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, because everyone deserves affordable data. And thanks for watching. See you in my next video.